This is insane! A whole house built by hand in just 6 days. Builders worldwide are absolutely blown away. Traditional construction takes months. This one does it in 6 days, from foundation to roof in one go. No concrete, no mortar, no cement, not even a drop of construction waste. No workers, no heavy machinery. One person can assemble the entire house alone. 7.5 kilograms ultra-light blocks, no glue, no nails, just interlocking, and stronger than reinforced concrete walls. 98% air insulation. Tech-thin walls outperform traditional thick walls by 10 times. Prefabricated roof topped off in half a day. Even beginners can build it solo. This isn't sci-fi, this is the crazy reality shaking up the entire construction industry in Belgium. This house, built entirely without wet processes and assembled fully by hand, comes from Belgium's Gablok modular self-build system. It officially launched in 2019, completely rewriting how private homes are built. On day 1, the main task is checking the foundation and installing the starting components. Gablok has minimal requirements for the foundation, just a standard strip concrete base, with surface flatness within 3 mm. The starter beams match the block width exactly, fixed to the concrete with expansion bolts. Spaced every 40 cm, firmly locking the base load points. Each piece has a unique ID, matching the construction plans. No cutting or grinding on site, just unpack and use, with 100% material efficiency. Standard block size, 60-20-30 cm, each weighs 7.5 kg, easy to handle with one hand. Outer layer is OSB beadboard, inside is EPS insulation, 98 air, molded in one piece. All components are prefabricated, delivered in palletized packages. First pallet, ground-level wall blocks. Second, load-bearing beams and connectors. Third, upper blocks and fillers. Fourth, roof beams and roofing parts. Every 3 blocks installed, they immediately check alignment in both directions. Horizontal checks ensure straight walls, vertical checks ensure plumb alignment. Anything over 2 mm is adjusted right away. Between the blocks, a natural 40 cm mechanical cavity is formed. Before finishing day 1, they test fit corner positioning blocks, ensuring perfect alignment and fit, getting fully ready for wall construction on day 2. Day 2 moves into the core wall construction, using a mechanical interlocking system throughout. No glue, no nails, no mortar. When reaching door or window openings, they use prefabricated opening blocks. These blocks already include standard openings, no cutting needed, perfectly square and clean edges, no rework needed for installation later. This is a built-in channel for utilities, no cutting or breaking walls. Workers run PVC conduits and water pipes directly through it. Secured with clips inside the cavity, wiring and plumbing are done simultaneously, without extra construction time. Along the wall length, a vertical reinforcement slot is placed every 1.2 meters, allowing insertion of steel bars or wood supports, further improving shear strength. By evening, the ground floor walls are fully completed. Height, straightness, and verticality all meet standards, looking like one solid cast structure. Day 3 focuses on vertical load reinforcement and floor installation. First, the LVL laminated beams are inserted into the top support slots of the walls. These beams are made from layered wood veneers under pressure, with 2.3 times the bending strength of solid wood. Beam spacing follows a strict 60 centimeters module, perfectly aligned with the blocks below, evenly distributing upper loads. Once placed, they are secured using wooden wedges. Wedges are inserted into gaps, tapped tight with a rubber hammer, then fixed with self-tapping screws, eliminating all looseness. When reaching the hollow core of the blocks, they insert thermal bridge blocking fillers. These are made of high-density insulation material, filling all internal cavities, blocking lateral heat transfer, eliminating thermal bridges completely. Day 4 focuses on building the upper walls, following the same process as the ground floor, but moving even faster. They begin installing prefabricated floor panels. Panels are standardized in size, placed directly on the beams, with tight joints and no warping. During construction, after each layer, a full alignment check is done with a laser level, ensuring both levels are perfectly aligned. No shifts, no tilt, no misalignment. At corners and openings, they continue using prefabricated blocks, keeping everything perfectly aligned between levels. Before sunset, all upper walls are completed. The two-story structure takes full shape, clean lines, straight edges, and solid structure. Day 5 moves to roof construction, using fully prefabricated modular roof trusses, finished in just half a day. Workers place the first roof truss onto the top wall supports. The base is built in positioning slots, automatically locking into the wall supports, no manual alignment or measurement needed. At joints and eaves, special sealants are applied, preventing any water leakage. All trusses are placed in sequence, with spacing fixed at 60 cm, forming a uniform roof frame. From frame setup to full roof closure takes only 4 hours. The house is officially topped out, fully sealed against the elements. Day 6 is for finishing touches and final inspection, completing all reinforcements and full checks. Once aligned, they lock everything using a plug-in fastening system. Plugs are inserted into preset holes, twisted 90 degrees to lock, creating a rigid connection, meeting wind, load, and seismic standards. Three key inspections are done with a laser level. Wall verticality, 2 mm deviation floor levelness, 1.5 mm deviation roof flatness, 3 mm deviation. All measurements exceed EU residential construction standards. At this point, from installing the starter beams, to building the ground walls, to stacking the upper structure, to sealing the roof, a complete 2-story modular home is fully completed in just 6 days. This self-build system from Belgium uses minimal processes, precise details, and standardized components, allowing ordinary people to build a safe, insulated, eco-friendly permanent home in just 6 days.